Now to a new chapter in the fight over police body cam footage of an incident involving Greensboro City Manager Taiwo Jaiyeoba.
The police chief says the city is appealing a judge's ruling to release the footage. The video is of an incident where officers went to the city manager's home in December for a domestic call.
WFMY News 2's Amber Lake found out what happened and what comes next.
Chad, Julie, a lot has happened since that December 28th incident. A motion was made for that body camera footage to be released. A judge ruled on that, allowing for the release to take place today. Now we have this appeal on the table. We're going to be waiting on a decision on that, at least for a few months. Now, police reports show that officers responded to the city manager Taiwo Jaiyeoba's home back in December for what they called a family disorder. The report lists the city manager and his 2 adult daughters. They're each listed as having apparent minor injuries, though no charges were filed that night. A judge signed off on releasing the footage from the night of a family dispute. Members of the Greensboro City Council watched the video, calling the incident a private family matter. Today, the city filed an appeal around 2 p.m. Greensboro Mayor Nancy Vaughn says she believes there could be potential ridicule if this footage is released. She explains that this was just a family experiencing a crisis.
We've had a lot of things happen since that evening. I will say that it has taken up a lot of conversation, and we really should be focused on bigger issues at this point.
Greensboro Police Chief John Thompson says the footage is too sensitive to show, and he straddles the line of privacy rights for citizens versus the balance of trying to maintain and build public trust through transparency. I asked him if he could explain what about the video was sensitive.
It's the statements that were made by family members, some around medical, some around mental health, incidents that may have occurred previous between other family members.
Now, up until this point, the city manager has not been involved in the case to release the body camera footage. The attorney for the city manager, however, filed a motion to intervene in this case. That hearing is set for tomorrow. One thing that I thought is worth mentioning regarding the press conference that happened earlier today is Chief Thompson kind of started his remarks saying that the city manager is not above the law, but he's not below it either. The chief police said that if this footage is released, he believes a lot of variables will come into play as well. So we'll just see what happens. Live in Greensboro, Amber Lake, WFMY News 2.